Hello everyone, my name is Harvan Patel and today is my the 21st day of English speaking practice and today I am very happy just because of my consistency and I have been facing the problem, lots of problem while maintaining this challenge, but I manage it. So far, I have been managed so far, and I will continue the sessions next 1 or 2 months just for my consistency and consistency. If I will able to maintain this consistency, and then I must be sure that it will reduce the fears and hesitations while speaking. Sometimes we can't, if you don't have confidence, then how can possible to like most of the people they know grammar, they know the sentence structure, but when it comes to the speaking part, then they cannot able to speak this language. But so I just suggest you that to just to start to speak this language, and sometimes you go the stuff, and even though sometimes you're not able to speak this language, sometimes you feel some demotivated. But when you feel demotivated, then how would you maintain the situations? Because that situation is mandatory to how that situation decide that how would you how have you managed, like when you like most of the people are when they are happy, motivated, then they do the work, and they work whatever they have, so they do the very perfectly. But once they got the demotivated, feel nervous, then that when you demotivations and nervous, you start to work and give the 100%, then that time will that time will be decide that where will you reach in future, and that moment you just not keep it, just not waste our time to thinking a negative, just you don't think like a just not think like a negative thoughts, just you are focusing our like think about our goal, and just you are thinking like something like if you are targeting any goals, then you can just think about those one thing, like after 1 year, 2 years, how where will I reach? So when you think like this, then you will release the happy hormones, and you just start to speak, just start to do or whatever you do. So if you are follow these things, so you can just start it. Now discuss. Now I will discuss about the like four topics I have already taken to for discussing to this just for when I important, and mostly few when and those days I would not take the topic. I did not take the topic, so I will feel like a empty. This is like a blank while speaking, but we quite I just don't give this more time to learn this language. I will just rest of this language for second. But this is the primary thing. When you are in come to the job scenario, you will not able to speak this language. So you will not get a good job. And if you are able to speak, and if you are able to introduce yourself, and communicate with others, and most of the important thing is that how what was the what is your motivation, what is your consistency, what is your way of explaining the projects and ideas. If you are just explain our projects feels like accordingly the like way of things like in interview, like not rocket science interview, they want that to if you interviewer want that he should select, I will select you. But you are not, you don't want to select you. Just candidates, they don't want to select. They are don't do the before giving the like interview. They don't prepare for the interview. Just like take like a lightly all the interview. Like private interview, the mostly candidates they just like they just take a like lightly. They don't take the serious for an interview. But they are serious. while giving the interview and before the interview to prepare all this topic, whatever 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 you need, whatever you need for. So basically, so I'm saying that to festival needs to start. And now I'm to start with what is the like what is the my my experience. What was my experience to like the first day to 7 days? So basically, I'm saying that right now my experience is what the like first to 7 days, and while within the like first to 7 days, I just feel like just I was feel like I will quit it. Leave it. You could not learn this language. You could not learn this language. But I know that if I maintain the consistency, if I stay consistent, stay disciplined, then I would please learn this language. I will learn this language and I will do something different. And if you also want to do something different, then you should learn the language. And after learning this language, just to feel the confidence and motivates before like nice placement journey will be starts like next 6 or 7 months. But I start to learn this language before the before just to relate self. And if you are like if you are in serious concept, then you must be follow the same process whatever I am following right now. So what have you learned from me? You learn from me that so you start the learning before given the any exam or interview. So basically you need to do the practice for doing the interview. So why they are so now I am discussing about the now I will discuss the next topics like what was my experience like 7 to 14 days. So before I just after completing the like first 7 days, just I felt like it's quite confident, quite less nervous and confident to speak. And earlier I was like at that moment I was not able to create like sentences and structure of sentence when I start to speak, but basically face a problem. But in these days I just speak confidently in front of anyone, unable to speak. I am able to express my thoughts and feelings, and within the Google days I was not able to speak just because of maintaining just because of the fluency. And I should I will just follow the same things next 2 or 3 months for my fluency. Once I gain the fluency, then I will able to explain all these things, whatever I was decide things like most of the people they think about like students are not faced the problem. Like I am saying that mostly students they have faced a lots of problems while learning, while something different. And from now I just want to record the 10 minutes video just for I making my consistency and just for the I don't want I am uploading I will upload the I have uploaded the video on YouTube just for my don't have not much storage, so I just store the video just upload the video on YouTube and where they undelete from my gallery. So just for this I will record the video and today for now I just record the video. But I speak here after in the session I will speak here 25 minutes every day and 30 minutes. This will not wait to speak. So this time here I stop the video and thank you. Thanks for watching my video and everything. And I will pray for your future and you will be grow in your life. You will be grow in your life and have a nice day and have a good night. So everything.